Hey everyone, Andre here from Phrase product team, and I would like to demonstrate the SCIM user provisioning today. Let's start with defining what is user provisioning. So typically, users in a large organization are using lots of different IT products on the daily basis, and they have to have access to their emails, the ticket tracking systems, to analytics, to localization suites, and all of the other software. And it wouldn't be very scalable if somebody had to manually add them to each of those applications one by one. It would create a huge overhead and overload any IT administrators you have. That's why there are some protocols, for example, SCIM, that allow to create accounts automatically. For example, when a new colleague joins your organization. These new accounts are created based on information in the identity provider. And I will start the demonstration of the user provisioning from the identity provider interface. In our case, I will be using Okta. And here you see the settings of the application profile that is integrated with the Phrase Localization Suite. As you can see here, the SCIM provisioning is enabled. And in this setup, the SCIM is allowed to enable users and update user attributes. For example, if somebody's surname changes, it will be propagated to Phrase applications. The organizations we'll be working with has the TMS and string access, and it only has one user currently. So let's fix that and add more users here. I will go to the assignments section in Okta and add one more person here. So I'll click add people. I will look for the test user that I'm about to add, and I will assign them here. Here I can review some of the information, and once I confirm that, the user should be pushed to Phrase Localization Suite. So let's open the user management page and refresh it. And yes, here you are. The account was automatically created. But as you can see, they don't have access to TMS or strings just yet. In order to get access, this user needs to confirm their email, and we need to open the email and click this confirmation link. I will do that in incognito window. And once that is done, that user will have the access to the apps. So let's check that. And yes, as you can see now, this environment is completely ready for this user. Just in case, it's worth mentioning that sometimes some of our customers require not having that email confirmation step. That could be configured if you contact the customer support or your customer success manager. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for your attention.